Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I am also fine.
What is your name?
My name is Fahrina Diba.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 4.
Which school do you study in?
I study in class 4 at Rashed School.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Farooq Ahmed.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Amina Akhtar.
Where do you live in?
I live in Jurdigi.
What is your district's name?
I'm from Tangail.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 4.
Who is your English teacher?
My English teacher is Nazbul sir.
What is the name of your school?
My school's name is Rashed School.
Okay. Oh, ঠিক আছে অনেক। হ্যাঁ